We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge on your HP LaserJet 500 MFP M525 printer, as well as print a supply status page afterwards. Follow these steps. Alright, so first I'm going to start by opening my toner. So if you want to go ahead and open yours too, this is what it would look like if you were to get it from Onyx. This is a CE255X toner. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. That way you can actually see me changing it. Okay, so now I have my toner out. So this is what it's going to look like brand new. So what I'm going to do is set this to the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my old one out. So follow these steps. Alright, so I've unboxed my new toner. I'm going to go ahead and take my old one out. You press this button right here. So you'll pull the cartridge out. And then I always like to set my old one aside. That way I don't get them mixed up just in case. So I've pulled that out. I have my new toner here. As you can see, it's got this little guard. You want to go ahead and take that off before installing inside the printer. You're going to hold it by this end, and you want to make sure not to touch this blue right here. Keep your little fingers away. Just follow the guides. Once you hear it click inside there, then you know it's installed. Shut your front hatch, and you have now changed your toner. Alright guys, so I've discarded of my old toner. I've got all my trash out the way. Now what I'm going to show you is how to print a supply status page on this new cartridge. So what you want to do on your screen is just scroll down till you see administration. Go ahead and click it. And then you want to hit reports, configuration or status page, supply status page, and then hit print. Alright guys, that's it. You have successfully changed your toner and printed a supply status page in your HP M525 printer. Thank you for watching our video today and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.